Hey everybody, Dave here from Tres Studios, and today I'm out in the greenhouse with this beautiful poblano pepper plant, and I have a nice bell pepper plant over here, which we're going to take a look at both of these because today's video is all about how well peppers do in hydroponic setups. And I've done all kinds of peppers. I've done cayenne peppers, banana peppers, bell peppers, poblano peppers, and probably a couple other types as well. And they've all done really well with the master blend in a hydroponics setup. And all crack key for me. I haven't experimented with any deep water culture or any other methods. I like to keep it to crack key because it's the simplest, easiest way to go. It's great for beginners. So anyway, about the poblano, this was a plant that was in a previous video where I showed how I planted this right into a bucket lid, how it came in a little peat pot, a little 4-inch peat pot, and I just had a hole in the bucket lid and I sat it right in there, and that's it. So you guys will see how that worked. I had a little trouble with it because it got wet from the top when we had some rain that blew in from the end, but overall it worked great. So I encourage you guys to try this method, whether it comes in a peat pot or even if it comes in a little plastic pot. If you don't have a net cup or you don't want it, you want to try to do it without buying anything else, or you're just starting out, it's a great way. So we'll take a closer look at these two, and if I can, I'll find a little bit of a clip to show you when I planted this in here, how small it was. This pepper, now it's all ready. Basically you can just drop it in there, and we'll go ahead and check and make sure that the bottom of this is getting wet, because we'll pull it out and see. Alternatively, we could just lift the lid and look, but I'm just going to pull it out and take a look. Yeah, it looks like it's barely was getting wet, so I'm going to add some more. Just put all that back, and now we should be fine. I like to use tomato cages around my buckets, like you can see with that tomato. I gotta get some more of them. But anyway, guys, that is about it. So here's the poblano, and these peppers are mature pretty much, and that's a little small. But I think about this size here is about the size that's a general poblano pepper. But you could see how nice and loaded up this thing is with peppers. Beauty for sure. And I want to give you guys a look at how big this plant is too. So I'm going to walk back a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So I bought that. Actually bought that at Walmart, and I'm going to show you, I know we looked at the clip when I planted it, but I want to show you one of the problems that I had with it. So there it is from far away. So let's go ahead and look at this this pot, because when I bought this, I just put it right in with the peat pot that it came in. And what happened, I think I had some rain infiltrate and the pot started to fall right through the hole. So I tied some twine around it just to keep it from falling through. Now if I lift this lid up, it probably will fall through. But I've got the plant tied to the cage here so that it can't fall in and drown. Not a great solution, but it works. And I just wanted to show you guys that. So if I do this again with these peat pots, let's see if I can show you guys. I want to show you guys the peat pot, but I'm trying to operate the camera at the same time. So you can see there's like a cellophane around it, but all the roots came out the bottom. and they're down in there now. So I just left that cellophane and everything on and put it right in the hole, and that was it. So like I said, that worked out pretty well, except it did start to fall through a little bit, and that's why I wrapped it with the twine. But anyway, let's take a look at this bell pepper. So it's a very easy way to do it though. I wanted to let you guys know because you know, if you don't have net cups or you're just starting out, you can just do it that way, and you don't have to buy anything, you know. You have to have a bucket, that's about it, and a lid. So over here I have a bell pepper, and this bell pepper is pretty loaded up with peppers. Are still small, but you know, I've been picking off this all summer, and this is, you know, like the third flush of real flush of peppers here that we're getting. We're getting lots and lots of beautiful peppers here. Kind of hard to show you guys all of it at once. Let me try to get back a little bit. Anyway, here's some more down here. I had to tie it. It's getting so heavy that it's in a cage. I had to tie it up, tie it to itself. So there it is from back here. That's the bell. And I'll bring you back in a little closer. So you can't see them that well here, but you can see, if I zoom in, you can see a lot of them. As you can see now, it's quite a big plant, and we got a lot of peppers on both of these. And yeah, so the Master Blend really does fantastic for the peppers, and they just seem to love being in hydroponic. I never had any get any root rot or any problems like that. So guys, that's it for today. I hope that was helpful to some of you. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comment section. And I hope you're all well. I hope your hydroponics are doing well. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.